Hi, welcome to my channel Online Tools. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create this type of page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. Here we have kept one logo, then the navigations menu and one button. Here the some content and also a button for this too. Also we have added the hover effect for both the buttons, even for this also, and one image. Let's get started. Already I have written the code in order to save the time. Let me explain you in brief. So this is the head section. Inside the head section we have added one script. uh, This is the Tailwind CSS script. You can get this script in my source code. Already I have mentioned the source code in the link in the description. You can find going to that link. Also, you can find this script in the official website of Tailwind CSS. There you can find this particular script link. And another link I have created style.css and added over here. In the style.css file, I have nothing here except this import to this import this font. I have imported this font from the Google font. So everything we will do in this HTML page, in this index.html page. So inside the body, first of all we have taken one div. Let me minimize all this div and highlight the first div. This is the main div where we have added the container. Let me show you in the back front end part what is this. For this entire styling we have used one div, and the class name we have added as container. Then we have set to mean height screen. This is the minimum height screen. In Tailwind we have the short form of this mean h screen. That means the minimum height for the screen. This is the minimum height we have covered. Then for this you can see one black color background is there. For this I have added one image. In the Tailwind CSS we have one class like busy underscore, not underscore, hyphen URL, and this is the image name, as we have same image in this folder, so we have added directly. Otherwise you can create a folder and name it as image folder and all the image in, and make it all the image inside that folder, and you can call according to this folder's name. But as I have mentioned here in the directly, so I called that directly the name. Then we have this, for this imaging we require some style like BG center. This image should be in the center. For me this image required to be in the center, so I have added it BG center. Then the position, then the size should be like cover, busy cover. That means it should take it will take the whole page for this busy. And then this px stands for padding. Padding x-axis, that is 28, and padding y-axis, that is 5. Why these two are there I will explain you later on, and for this 3 I will explain you later on as I will go to next div. Let me expand this one. Then we have created one nav menu. This is the nav. This is inside the nav we have added one image logo. This is for image, we have added one image, and this is the logo, this one. Then we have added the UL and LIs for this navigations like home, about, service, portfolio, contact. As per your requirement you can name it accordingly, and make sure to keep it in UL and LIs. Then another I have taken one div. This div is for this button, this hair me button. So let me explain you for this section. This is the navigation section. Let me explain you this one. So to style that, we have written one CSS flex. Why this flex is there? If I will remove this flex, then you can see how this alignment will be go. See, the we have got a distract alignment. So let me add this flex, save it, and reload. Now it is back to the normal. So flex plays an important role. Then this align item center, this is for the items to be in the center. Then we have added one logo. This is the logo we have added. For this logo we have width 28. This is the W means width 28, and the cross and the when I am just taking the mouse, the crosser point is like pointer. So for that we have added crosser pointer. So once after this design, after styling the logo, we have styled the ULs and LIs. For UL we have written as flex 1 text to be center. Let me remove this flex 1 and see what is happening. See, oh, the alignment got not proper. So flex plays an important role. Then allies, for allies we have written list style non, that is this dot is there, so we have to remove that dot. For that we require list style non, inline block, and this padding 5. This is the padding, this is the padding 5. And the same allies we have copied, the same CSS we have copied for all the allies. After that we have also styled for the A tags. Like for this we have colored white color, so we have added this text white. No underlines, by default the underline is there, so we have added no underlines. Then text color white. Then padding x-axis 2, you can see the padding x-axis is 2, and this this class is applied for all the A tags. After this UL and LI styling, we have styled another one, hire me, this for this button. For this we have written text to be white color, the busy color should be yellow, and the yellow 600 is little bit deep. Yellow it is 600, it goes to little bit deep. Then it should be rounded 3xl, rounded, this one to be rounded one. Then padding y, this is 3, and padding x, this is 8. That means this is 8 and this is 3. Then we have font medium, the font weight, that is the medium. Inline block, margin R, I mean margin right 4. Then we have added the hover effect. The background gets transparent with one border. So for that we have added hover background transparent. Then we have added border yellow. Then again this border, if we will remove one border, let me see what is happening. And border to be transparent. If I will remove this border transparent and save it, you can see something is scaling up when I am just hovering over here. You can see there is some spacing between these menus. So in order to fix that, we have added border transparent. I will add that border transparent and see, still it is the same problem. To fix that problem, we need to add another border for it. Once I add this border, now that problem is fixed. See, there is constant. And this duration, this is the transition duration. As we are hovering over here, see, you can see the transition is there. So in order to add the transition, we have added transition duration 300. Then once we have done with navigation part, we move to another section. This is another section. Let me explain you about this section. We have one div. In this div, we have taken one class for it. For this h1, this is in h1. This is in h1. You can see some color is different and the font is different for this. Font weight is different for this, and color is also different for this. So in order to achieve that one, we have taken your brand in different, then that means to break, then another line create in, and another for the font styling and font weight we have taken span, and we have added the text color to be yellow, and the text should be in 4XL. It is a little bit lesser than this h1, and the font weight to be light. For this brand, we have added text 6XL and font to be semi bold and leading normal. That means leading normal means the line height. You can see the line height. This is the gap between two lines. Then we have added one p tag. This is the some dummy text. Then we have added two buttons. The button styling is the similar one like this one. Only the difference is there. In this first button we have added the BG color, and in the hover we have added the transparent like the same. And for this we have added the busy to be transparent, and on hover we have added the BG color. Let me show you the BG color. This is the thing, and here in the busy in this the second download we have added hover BG color. And this first started we have used border to be displayed first. When hover, it should be the PG color should be yellow. And for this image we have taken another image tag after this div, but it should be inside the main div. This is the main div, and inside that div we have added one image, and image to be full width in this is for the responsive. Added one button 30, that the button 30 in the sense we have added some space between the button. Then we have added the right 20, here is some space between the right, and here is the absolute. Excel should be absolute. In the last screen it should be above this image. This is the black background image. Above this image it should be this image, so we have added this image to be absolute. And over here I just mentioned you this too. We will be I will be telling you what is this, to why we have used this, to this 3 specifically. While we have added this absolute, so the main parent should be a relative. So in order to achieve this absolute, the main parent should be the relative, so we have added the relative. And if I will remove this px20, let me see what is happening. You can see this, it is a bit sticky to this center. Sorry, not center, it is sticky to this left and right, so it is not looking good. So in order to look perfect, we have added padding x-axis to be 28. Once I added the x-axis to be 28, it has back to the original. And this is padding y-axis. If I remove this 5, you can see this is again sticking. It is not also looking the good. In order to achieve this, we have written 5. So you can see some 5 pixel spacing is there on the top. So this is how we have achieved this simple page using HTML and Tailwind CSS. I hope you have understood something about how to create this simple page. For complete source code, you can the description, in the description you have the link. I have kept the link. You can click and uh, achieve the source code of it and also the images for it. Thank you.